Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing to you a summer face pack that get your skin removed to suntan, blackheads in instantly at your home. And also it's remover your cleanser and get your skin whitened. So let's start. At first I take yogurt, then I take gram flour, well.Turmeric powder, honey. So friends, this is my ingredients that get your skins, remove your suntan, blackheads and acne spots and so lots of your skin's problems and get your skins whitening, brightening in this summer. So let's start how do I make this. I take a clean bowl and also take a spoon and old makeup brush. So at first I take gram flour 2 tablespoons. Then I take half pinch of white turmeric powder. Then I take 1 tablespoon of honey. At last I take 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Now mix it. You can use gram flour as a face wash in a daily cleanser your skins because the gram flour is helpful for cleansing your skin and get your skin brightened, and also it's remove your skin dead skins in your spots, dark spots. Friends, see how much this consistency. Honey is much better for dry skin, but if your skin is oily then you can also add lemon juice 1 tablespoon. While turmeric powder is helpful for beauty hacks because it's already made while turmeric powder for beauty purpose to get your skin's glow, whitening and dark spots free skin. And while yogurt is helpful for blackheads remover, whitening, suntan problem, that's also is a problem in the summer in your skin, that's remover. So friends, I will take to show you how to this apply on your skin. Friends, I will show you my hands to apply this face mask. You can use this face mask your hand, legs, neck sides that your suntans also remover. So I take a old makeup brush and I will apply this. Trust me, this is so much effective to remove your suntans problem, blackheads problem and wrinkles problem also, and also get a smooth whitening instant glowing face. Use these ingredients all over your face, neck, hands and body to whitening your skin. Use this face mask 3 times in a week. So friends, let it dry to 15 minutes and then wash it with cold water. Friends, this is my video. If you like my video then please subscribe to my channel.